Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Bitchat. So first open up a web browser into your phone and go to google.com. Now here just simply search for bitchat.apk. Now here you could just simply go for GitHub. Tap on it on the GitHub down below. And now from here just simply scroll down a little bit. You should be able to see here download latest version for Android Bitchat APK. Now, from here, you should be able to see get the latest version. Now, scroll down a little bit. And now you should be able to see here Bitchat APK. Tap on it. And from here, just simply tap download anyway. And from here, you will have this pop up over here on your notification bar. You just simply wait for it to be loaded up and tap on it. And from here, tap on install and tap on open. And from here, you should be able to download and install Bitchat into your phone. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.